Hello friends, welcome to the channel Tips and Tricks. Friends, if you are planning to buy a laptop cooling pad and searching for the best brand, then this video is for you. Laptop have become a necessity for most of us, but the problem of overheating, and to combat the issue of overheating, you must invest in a good laptop cooling pad. So here's the video, and in this video I have shared the list of top 5 best laptop cooling pads in India. All these brands of laptop cooling pads are available online. Please check description for latest price and discount. If you are new to our channel, then please like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.